western Jackson County, Illinois, southern Franklin County, and south central Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over DeSoto or near Carbondale, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Ping-pong ball-sized hail has also been reported near Murfreesboro. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Marion, Huron, West Frankfort, Carterville, Johnston City, Ziegler, DeSoto, Craneville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Elkville, Hearst, Pittsburgh, Thompsonville, Dowell, Orient, Hannaford, and Freeman Spurs. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 53 and 69. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Jackson, and Williamson. County, Illinois, southeastern Jackson County, Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Carbondale, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Marion, Carterville, Craneville, Energy, and Lake of Egypt area around 6:15 p.m. Pittsburgh and Creel Springs around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spillitown, Williamson County Regional Airport, and Stone Fort. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 45 and 56. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Williamson.